To use the line segment tool, go to your toolbar to the left and click it here, or use the slash keyword shortcut here. The line segment tool helps us to create lines. So to create a line, just click and drag wherever you want, then release to create the shape. Let's give that shape a stroke. Go to your option bar here and click on that arrow. Let's give it 7 or 5 is okay, just so you can see the stroke. So to create a stroke, we just click and drag, click and drag, and click and drag wherever we want to create the line. Let me select and delete those lines. Select using the selection tool, then hit delete. Now another way to create lines is by clicking your artboard, then in the line segment tool options, put your length. For example, let me put 100 pixels. Choose the angle, then click OK. Let's do that again. Put our length. Let's put 150 pixels, and in the angle, let me put 0. Let me just type it 0, then click OK. And this way you can use the line segment tool. See you in the next video.